Okay, here I come. I'm at my mom's house. I won't make it too long because then it'll never load again. Oh, I wish you could see the other video. So not fair. It's a door. And I'm on the floor. And I tried other places around the room, but it wasn't focusing because there's like nothing in here. Okay. I'm going to make faces. Because that'll take good pictures.